This is why major forex pairs are consolidating. This is why your favorite forex pair is consolidating. The Euro USD, GBP USD, the USD CAD, USD JPY, the major pairs, this is why they are consolidating. The DSY, if we look at the monthly time frame, because we analyze on the monthly time frame, if we look at the overall trend, the underlying trend, we can see that the markets have been in a very strong upward movement, an uptrend for a very long time. And if we look closely right here, you can see that this market is in a resistance level right here, a very strong key level right here. And if we take a look back and draw a resistance level from this point to this point right here, we can see that it touches right, and this point right here, there's another support level here. We can see that this market is in a hold right here. And let's look at the lower time frame. From this point, we can see that this market move. Let's look at this very closely. We can see that this market have been in a key level, and this market has been respected at the 100 level twice, and the bottom, I think this is making the third time now. This market is retesting this level. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. We can see from the weekly time frame right here, we can see that this market is about to go up or down. It's very complicated right here. If you draw, let's look closely, we can see that this market is having a type of pattern right here, a pattern, a head and shoulder pattern right here. And if you use this to check other forex pairs, you can see that it's almost similar. I think almost the same thing. These markets have been on this consolidation phase for over, I think, since May. This market have been in a consolidation, and we can see that this market is somehow retesting this level right here. It is retesting this level right at this point. And if you look at the daily time frame, you can see that this market is in a choke state right here, in a choke state. I don't advise anybody to trade even the GBP USD, the Euro USD, the AUD USD, because of the DSY. Nobody should trade that right now because the dollar is kind of consolidating. If you look at other pairs, like, let's check other pairs like the Euro USD. The Euro USD is doing similar thing right here. If we look at, let me delete this. So let me start again by drawing back everything so you can understand the similarities. So on the Euro USD, we have a very strong downtrend that is inverted on the DSY. You can see from the top right here, it has been on a very strong downtrend, and the markets have broken out clearly from that downtrend. And right now we are seeing a strong move to the upside, and at the moment it is consolidating at the moment. Let me draw other key levels right from this. Here's a key level, and there's a trend line at this point right here. So there's still some kind of bearishness on the Euro USD. If you look at other pairs, you see find something very similar to this, and Euro USD is not an exceptional. It's not an exception. So from this point right here, you can see that this market is consolidating at this level, the 1.18 level right here. So if you look closely, you can see that this is looking like a resistant level at this weekly time frame. If we draw our trend line, our resistance from this place, from this level right here, a minor level right here, you can see that this market is having a tough time at this level right here. I don't think I should draw that right there. I think I should put it right here. You can see this market is retesting this level right here and ready to consolidate for more time, and I don't think anyone should be trading this right now. gbpusd, similar thing right here, similar thing on the gbpusd. On the monthly time frame, it's an uptrend actually, but still in a consolidation phase right here. I don't think anybody should be trading this at the moment. USD JPY, same thing, same consolidation level right here. So I don't think anyone should be trading the forex pairs at this moment. The only market that is moving quite well is the silver and gold market. So USD card is still the same thing. You can see after this retest of these levels right here, you can see after the retest of this level right here, the market has formed a head and shoulder pattern on the monthly time frame. Since then, it has been in a very strong consolidation right here. You can look at this on the lower time frame. There's a head and shoulder pattern on the monthly time frame. I think this head and shoulder pattern is going to cause this market to fall very aggressively in the next coming weeks or months. If you look at the weekly time frame, you can see that this market is respecting this level right here. Very strong respect for this level right here. USD card is on a choke point right now, so I don't advise anyone to be trading at this moment. So if you love this analysis, you can support the channel by subscribing and clicking on the notification bell to get more updates like this. Thank you.